Ready? Start. The challenge in these appeals is to the judgment and order dated 25/11/2019 of the Division Bench of the High Court of Calcutta, whereby the decision of the single judge dismissing the suit, that is CS number 79 of 2006 of Messrs. Sibco Investment Private Limited, for short Sibco, was reversed. Stop. The suit was filed against Small Industries Development Bank of India, seeking interest on the alleged belated payment of principal sum and accrued interest of the plaintiff for the bonds issued by SIDBI. Stop. Para. The question to be answered in this case is whether plaintiff has set forth a just claim, based on the bonds issued by the defendant, or is it a case of that trial in Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venus, where Shylock is claiming the promised pound of flesh in the form of interest on delayed payment on the bonds purchased by the plaintiff. Stop. The 41 bonds related to this case were initially issued by SIDBI to Messrs. CRB Capital Markets Limited, hereinafter referred to as CRB Capital, in 1993. Stop. Para. Those bonds were then sold by CRB Capital to one Shankar Lal Saraf in February 1997, and those in turns were then sold on 1/7/1998 to Sibco, the plaintiff and the respondent herein. Stop. In the meantime, CRB Capital faced winding up proceedings at the instance of the RBI in the Delhi High Court. Stop. This said proceeding will have a bearing on this case. Stop. The following relevant facts necessary for consideration of this appeal are broadly culled out from the judgment of the Calcutta High Court: Para. The plaintiff Sibco purchased the bonds in the form of promissory notes issued by the defendant SIDBI. Stop. These are termed as SIDBI bonds 2003 4th series, carrying 13% interest, and SIDBI bonds 2004 5th series, generating interest at the rate of 12% from one Shankar Lal Saraf on 1st July 1998. Stop. The interest is paying on a half-yearly basis on or before 21st day of June and 21st day of December of every year. Stop. Para. The 5th series bonds were agreed to be redeemed on 21st December 2004, whereas the 4th series bonds were to be redeemed on 21st December 2003. Stop. The bonds are freely tradable in the market. Stop. Messrs. Sibco purchased 15 bonds, interest payable at the rate of 13%, and 26 bonds at interest payable at the rate of 12% of face value of 10 lakhs each, for an aggregate price of rupees 3 crores on 1st July 1998 by Messrs. Sibco from the said Shankar Lal Saraf. Stop. Para. The bonds were deposited with Messrs. SIDBI defendant on July 2nd, 1998, with the request to endorse the name of the plaintiff purchaser on the said bonds. Stop. On refusal to register and or record the name of the Sibco by the defendant on the ground that CRB Capital and had gone into involuntary liquidation proceedings at the instance of the RBI. Stop. At first, the plaintiff filed the WP number 1456 of 1998 before the Calcutta High Court, seeking a mandamus upon defendant to transfer the aforesaid bonds in favor of the plaintiff and also to pay the interest accrued on them.